the OnePlus 15 is getting its first major software update, and it brings a surprising number of new features, improvements, and fixes. The update has already started rolling out in Europe and India, and it should arrive in the US once the phone officially launches there. Since the device is still on pre-order in the US, many owners will likely receive this update as soon as they set up the phone. The new software version is OxygenOS 16.02401, and it includes the December 2025 Android security patch. This alone makes the update important, but there's a lot more packed inside. OnePlus has added new tools, refined existing features, and improved system performance to make everyday use smoother. One change comes to how summaries and subtitles behave. The phone can now automatically end summaries or subtitles when it detects no sound input for a certain amount of time. That means you won't get stuck with on-screen text continuing longer than it should. It's a small improvement, but it helps make auto-generated features feel more polished. The update also expands customization options. You can now drag to resize app clone icons and add shortcuts more easily. If you use cloned apps for messaging or social media, this gives you more control over how those icons appear on your home screen. And after resizing the icon or adding shortcuts, you can rearrange them using simple drag and drop actions. It's a convenient touch for users who like to organize everything just right. One of the most exciting additions is a new neon filter in the camera app. This filter is designed to recreate the look of CineStill 800T film, a popular film stock famous for its glowing highlights and atmospheric nighttime tones. With this filter, the OnePlus 15 should deliver more dramatic night portraits and eye-catching low-light shots. For users who love creative photography or social media aesthetics, this could quickly become a favorite tool. The Photos app is also getting smarter. The filter system now supports motion photos, screenshots and screen recordings, and edited images. That means it's easier to sort through the different types of media you have on your device, especially if your gallery fills up quickly. On top of that, OnePlus improved the thumbnail parsing method, which should make thumbnails load noticeably faster. If you've ever scrolled through a huge gallery and waited for little gray boxes to turn into images, you already know why this matters. Another major addition is bypass charging. This is a feature many users have been asking for, and OnePlus finally added it to the OnePlus 15. Bypass charging lets you power the phone without charging the battery at the same time. This is extremely helpful during gaming or long video sessions because it prevents unnecessary battery wear and reduces heat buildup. It's a feature that improves battery health over time and keeps the phone cooler during heavy use. The update also fixes a specific connectivity issue. Some users experience problems where their car display disconnected when switching the phone's data network. That issue has now been resolved, making Android Auto and similar systems more reliable. Overall, this update is a strong first step for the OnePlus 15. It adds meaningful new features, improves camera creativity, enhances gallery performance, and brings more customization options. The security update is also important for keeping the device protected and stable. Just keep in mind that the update is rolling out in stages. If you don't receive it immediately, that's normal. OnePlus usually sends updates gradually to ensure there are no major bugs that affect all users at once. It may take a few days before it arrives on your device, but it's definitely on the way. For now, owners of the OnePlus 15 can look forward to better battery management, faster gallery performance, and a new neon camera filter that will take night photography to another level. This is just the beginning, and it's good to see OnePlus delivering meaningful improvements so early in the phone's life cycle.